Video footage of black teens being attacked at South African resort surfaces online. Family member alleges pool was reserved for white guests. So, I guess over on Christmas Day, uh, this black family was at the resort, and these two teenagers came to the pool when they were confronted by these animals, you know. It's 2022, and we still deal with racism, and this could have got bad, because from what I understand, the older the older teenager was trying to defend his brother, 13 years old, and a couple guys pushed the 18-year-old in the pool and held his head underwater and trying to drown this kid. And as you can tell, these are grown men. These are grown men. And as the 18-year-old is trying to defend his younger brother, who's 13 years old, you'll see in the video that several more white adults join in on the attack. Yeah. So they're not there to try to de-escalate the situation. I don't know how many men were there, but it seems it would seem plausible that someone would step in and try to de-escalate the situation, but that's not what happened. But let's go ahead and look at the video real quick. See, so these kids, they were there to just have a good time, The parents were also present at the resort, but you know, they didn't expect this to happen to their kids, you know. But anything can happen nowadays. It, we're still in the we're still in a very racist society, and that's anywhere you go. Even here in America, I remember one of my homeboys. He was having a birthday party for his kid, and of course, they were all at the pool. He was barbecuing, and it was mostly black kids at the pool. And you know, this guy already had everything set up. Him and his wife, they had balloons set up, cake, and they called the cops. These white guests at the pool decided that they were going to call the police, and the police showed up, and of course they had to move the party. They couldn't. Their claim was that there was too many people. You're only allowed to have so many guests. But it's just a heartless situation. You see this guy's trying to have a party for his kids. There was no illegal activity going on or anything. But that's just the world that we live in. Um, but yeah, check out this story for yourself. Um, Obviously, you can watch the whole video, I guess, on Instagram. Very sad situation. It could have turned bad. Somebody could have lost their life, and none of these adults had the heart or the mind to step in and try to de-escalate this situation.